Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech AI, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to sign in on Google Bard. So let's get started. So first of all, open your browser. I'll be using my Chrome browser because it is default on my MacBook. So let's search Google Bard AI. So on the first option here you can see there is a Gemini chat to supercharge your ideas. So this is your AI. I hope you guys don't get confused. So let's click on it. As you can see, we have entered this interface on this website, and on the top right corner there is a sign in option. Now click on it as well. So now you can choose your account, whichever account that you like. I'll be using my account. So as you can see, there will be an confirmation email on your mail on your phone. So let me just confirm it. So I have already confirmed it, and now it will take me to its website. So guys, this is the website, and this is how you sign in to your Gemini AI Google Bard. So I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.